If you weren't in class today, I've created this short video to show you how to add your contact information to the emails you send out. So I'm referring to this information, which is included in every email I send out. To put that information into your emails, you'll need to click on the gear up in the right-hand corner here. And from there, go to See All Settings. And on this page, draw down to near the bottom of the page, and you'll see where it says Signature. And all you need to do is to add your contact information to this text box. So for this assignment, you can put your name, EOU business student, Eastern Oregon University. That would be enough information to satisfy the assignment. If after you've used Gmail to send me your assignment email, you want to remove this information so it doesn't appear in future emails, you can do that. I also wanted to show you at the bottom here, there's this vacation responder, which is also a very useful tool. So if you're going to be away from your computer for a number of days, this will allow you to automatically send a response to the emails you receive during that period of time. So you could, note that on vacation, and then in this text box, put whatever message you want people to receive when they try to contact you during this period of time. So that's a very useful tool. If you're going to be gone for 2 weeks, people aren't going to receive responses from your email, and this will allow you to explain why they're not receiving any response during that period. If you have any questions about the assignment or putting the contact information in to your emails, just send me an email.